Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off antivirus in Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to go over the search option over here, or you can go for the start icon over here, and here you will find settings. If you can't find it over here, then you can search over here settings and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, the settings bar will be opened, and now you just need to go for privacy and security section in the left side. Click on that, and then after that you just need to go for Windows security, because here you will find antivirus. So click on that, and after that you just need to go for this virus and threat protection. So click on that, and here will be your Windows security will be pops up, and then here you just need to come over virus and threat protection settings, and then click over here manage settings. Click on that. After that you will find the first section called real-time protection. So if you turn it off, click yes for the permission, then your antivirus will be turned off into your Windows operating system, and you can see that your Windows security are showing a notification that turn on virus protection. So it will help you if you want to do any of the things that could be needed to turn off antivirus. So this is how you can turn off antivirus into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.